UW Huizhou is a fully owned subsidiary of United Winners Laser Co. Limited. It covers an area of 65,000 square meters and is located in the Zhonghai High-Tech Industrial Development Zone, a key hub in the Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area. Since starting operation in 2017, it has grown into a super factory for UW Laser in Greater Bay Area. It now has 14 buildings, including administrative office, R&D labs, production workshop, warehouses, and living quarters. To behind is our 8th-floor admin building, where over 1,000 R&D engineers work. It hosts our 3C general automation, new energy equipment, and new energy vehicle divisions. The first floor exhibition hall displays our key core products. It's showcase of our accumulated honors and technological expertise, and proof of UW Huizhou's technical strength recognized by the global market. We provide customized intelligent manufacturing solution to clients worldwide. The Huizhou base provides a cozy home for our employees, offering free comfortable accommodations. We have 3 dormitories buildings with 370 fully furnished rooms. Each room comes with sofa, coffee table, wardrobe, air conditioner, and washing machine. This creates a warm and convenient living environment, ensuring our staff feel right at home. The dining hall covers over 3,000 square meters and can seat more than 1,000 people during the peak hours. We serve 20 plus nutritious dishes daily to suit different tastes. Plus, we have multifunctional basketball court for team games or physical workout. It is a good place to relax after work, making our hard work feel even warmer. This is our production zone. Building 6 and 7 are the new energy equipment workshops, covering nearly 10,000 square meters. We mainly build tap welding machines, ultrasonic welding machines, hot presses, wrapping machines, electron sheet machines, and cover plate lines. Right now, we have our 120 large and medium-sized machines in production. Building 4 and 5 contain our new energy vehicle division, focusing on powertrain, storage module, pack, and auto part production lines. We also have our 3C electronics and general automation division here. Everything is organized by process flow, fully equipped, and top efficiency. From the R&D to production and from the dorm to dining, the UW Huizhou is the backbone of UW Laser. We help global customers break through production limits with the customized intelligent manufacturing solutions. In the future, we will continue to root ourselves in the Greater Bay Area and serve the world with Chinese intelligent manufacturing.